My dear friends, I am Dr. Omkar Prasad Vaidya. Today I will be discussing regarding the role of lycopene in health and disease condition. Lycopene is a natural substance or a natural compound we can say, and it is mostly present in vegetables and fruits like tomato, grapefruits, watermelon, red, red pepper and some other fruits, and guava also. It is a carotenoid in nature and it has a powerful antioxidant quality and property. Because of its antioxidant nature, it has protective role in various disease conditions, and it is found to be very much helpful in treatment and prevention of risk of various illness. The carotenoid is a this substance, that is lycopene, is a carotenoid which may exist in different pigments like yellow, red, orange. Just like in tomato it is present, and tomato is almost red in color. So this lycopene is very much essential for its antioxidant capacity and has been found to be beneficial in various disease condition and protection of certain diseases. So number one health benefit of lycopene is it is a powerful antioxidant, and because of its powerful antioxidant it acts as a prevention of damage by the free radical. Now in our body, because of stress and strain and because of various metabolic reaction, a lots of free radicals are produced. Now free radicals are very toxic in nature, so they can damage the DNA, cause mutation, they can damage the cell, stimulate apoptosis or program cell death, and can kill a cell before its lifespan. So that's why lycopene is very much essential. Lycopene is a powerful antioxidant like vitamin A, vitamin C, vitamin E. It can prevent the DNA damage and mutation caused by the free radical induced activity, and thus it can help in prevention of various chronic illness, prevention of cancers, prevention of heart disease, and thus it has so many health benefits and prevention of various diseases. Another important role of lycopene is that it promotes bone health and prevents bone decay. So it promotes bone deposition and increases the strength of bone, but it prevents the bone decay, and thus it prevents osteoporosis. So second important function of vitamin A like substance, that is carotenoid, or we can call it lycopene, is that it can increase the strength of bone and prevents bone decay. Third important function of lycopene is that it prevents age-related effect on eyes like cataract, then age-related macular degeneration, then other age-related eye disorders. Now, because of aging, which is caused by free radical, there are lots of disorders of eye like cataract because of increase in the opacity of the lens, or because of certain degeneration in the macula, we call it macular degeneration or age-related macular degeneration, and various other vision problem may also be caused because of the defect, age-related or because of aging process, which is mediated by free radicals. Now lycopene is a powerful antioxidant. It neutralizes the free radicals and prevent the free radical induced damage and prevent the aging process to the eye caused by the free radicals, and thus it prevents cataract, it prevents age-related macular degeneration, it also prevents other eye disorders. Thus it has been found to be very much essential to maintain the normal eye health. Another important function, very important function of carotene is that lycopene is a carotenoid substance of lycopene is that it prevents the risk of various cancers like cancer breast, cancer lung, cancer prostate, and some studies has focused that those patients suffering from CA prostate or cancer of the prostate gland, they have low level of lycopene, which may prove that lycopene is essential for normal prostate gland, or it prevents the risk of prostate cancer in adults. In female also, they are responsible for prevention of risk of breast cancer. So actually it is a lycopene is a powerful antioxidant and prevents the DNA damage, and which leads to cancer. So thus lycopene, because of its anti-inflammatory function and antioxidant function, it prevents the cellular damage and DNA damage and mutation, and thus it prevents the risk of getting cancer. Several studies based on prostate gland have been studied along with lycopene function, and almost all the studies they found positive effect of lycopene in prevention of prostate cancer. Another important health benefit of lycopene is prevention of cardiovascular disease. Lycopene has been found in various studies that it can lower down the bad cholesterol, that is low density lipoprotein, and it increases the high density lipoprotein, which is good for heart. It also prevents clot formation or clogging of arteries or narrowing of arteries or clotting of blood inside the vascular lumen. That is, it prevents thrombosis, which decreases the risk of heart attack or myocardial infarction. At the same time, it also has effect on lowering the BP. So it keeps the BP lower side or normalize the BP. It prevents clot formation, it decreases the LDL, it increases the high density lipoprotein, and thus it prevents myocardial infarction or heart attack, or prevents ischemic heart disease. Thus it is very much essential for prevention of various cardiac or cardiovascular system abnormalities like and heart disease, just like myocardial infarction or heart attack. Another important function is that it can prevent the risk of getting ischemic stroke, especially. As I already told, it lowers the blood pressure, it prevents the clot formation inside the vascular lumen, and thus it forms the important substance which can prevent the risk of ischemic stroke, and thus it can protect the formation of ischemic stroke. Another important function of lycopene is that it prevents sunburn and skin damage because of UV light. So it is a photoprotective function. Lycopene has a photoprotective function. It protects the skin from UV light and it prevents the sunburn. Sunburn means because of the sun UV light, some epithelial surface of the skin get damaged because of the UV light. And lycopene, being an anti-inflammatory and antioxidant, it prevents the sunburn and as well as prevent UV light or UV light induced damage to the skin. There are other important function of lycopene, just like it also helps in promotion of brain health. How? Lycopene is found to be prevent the oxidative stress in brain. It is a powerful antioxidant, and thus it prevents the oxidative stress induced damage to the neurons. Thus it prevents Alzheimer's disease or the memory loss because of Alzheimer's disease, which is a neurodegenerative disorder. Besides that, lycopene also prevents the age-related dementia or age-related degenerative condition in brain, also known as senile dementia. And at the same time, it promotes the normal cognitive function of brain. Besides that, in brain, it also responsible for prevention of ischemic stroke, as I already discussed before. So it prevents the risk of stroke and prevents the risk of Alzheimer's disease in brain. Lycopene also increase bone formation and prevent bone resorption. Bone resorption means decay of bone, which is responsible for stimulation of osteoclastic activity. Osteoclast is responsible for bone resorption. So lycopene red inhibits osteoclastic activity and prevents bone resorption, and thus it prevents bone decay and helps in calcium deposition and increasing the bone formation, and thus it increases the bone strength and prevents osteoporosis. So just like the role of calcium, vitamin D, zinc, it can also be used along with other vitamins and minerals to prevent bone decay or for proper bone metabolism and bone growth. Another important function of lycopene is that it can prevent neuropathic pain. Actually, lycopene is a powerful antioxidant. An anti-inflammatory function is also there. Because of its anti-inflammatory function, it prevents the release of tumor necrosis factor alpha, which is a powerful inflammatory agent in the blood. And because of its lowering effect of this TNF alpha, it prevents inflammation, and thus it prevents the neuropathic pain or chronic pain, and thus it is very much good for prevention of pain. Another important function of lycopene is that it is very much beneficial in prevention of infertility and treatment of infertility. How? Now, lycopene increases the sperm count. It is a powerful antioxidant and prevents the antioxidant-induced damage to the sperm. It increases the quality of the sperm. It increases the sperm motility. It increases the count of the sperm, and it also inhibits or decreases the chance of erectile dysfunction. Erectile dysfunction is a clinical condition that a male has to face because of failure in erection of the penis during sexual intercourse. So it is a reproductive health problem, especially for male. So lycopene actually prevents the risk of getting erectile dysfunction or helps in treatment of the erectile dysfunction. So it is very much important for fertility problems or prevents infertility and proper reproductive health maintenance. Another important role of lycopene is that it promotes health of the skin. It prevents age-related changes in the skin. It protects the skin against UV light. It prevents sunburn. It prevents wrinkling of the skin. It helps in the skin healing. Along with other minerals, it helps in healing of the skin, and at the same time, it also has photoprotective effect. Photoprotective effect it has. It prevents the skin from damage because of the sun exposure or UV light exposure. So thus lycopene is also helps in promotion of the skin health, as it prevents age-related wrinkling. That is another important. So it can be used as a cosmetic purpose also, just like vitamin E. Last thing I want to discuss is that lycopene is also powerful antioxidant, and because of that it prevents the risk of certain cancer like cancer of the breast, then cancer of the prostate, and cancer of the lung also. So it also helps in prevention of various cancers. Now the question comes whether we should take supplements of lycopene or we should take lycopene as food or as fruits and vegetables. Now it is always advised that to avoid artificial supplements or nutritional supplements, rather we should take lycopene as whole food, like tomato. We can take tomato, guavas, then watermelon, grapefruits. These are rich in lycopene. Tomato contain highest amount of lycopene. It is very much rich in lycopene, so we must add tomato in our diet, as it is very much essential or maintenance of various proper health of our body. And question comes, if we take excess of lycopene, what will happen? Actually, it is more or less lycopene is safe for eating, and in case we take more amount of it, there may be a chance of increased accumulation of lycopene in our blood. We call it lycopenemia, but there is no clinical manifestation of the disease. Only change is that there may be orange or red color discoloration of the skin, and it is mostly harmless. And within few days, if you stop the lycopene containing fruits like tomato or other fruits containing lycopene, gradually the sign symptoms will gradually disappear. So this is not a great problem, but it is advised not to take lycopene during pregnancy, because lycopene in pregnancy may lead to low birth weight or premature birth. So because of that, it is better to avoid in pregnancy. And according to some literature, if lycopene is taken along with other drugs like aspirin and NSAIDs, it may increase the risk of bleeding. So these are the few side effects of lycopene. Otherwise, it is more or less safe substance, and it is always advisable to take lycopene not as a supplement, nutritional supplements, rather through whole food like tomatoes, then watermelon, grapefruits, guavas. These are the various sources of lycopene. So lycopene is a very powerful antioxidant, just like vitamin E, vitamin C, selenium. and it protects against various diseases, even cancers, especially prostate cancer. It is a bone forming quality. It also protects against heart disease. It prevents chance of getting stroke, and also it fight against infertility. And so it is very much essential for our life, and it can prevent risk disease, life-threatening situation like cancer also. So always take tomatoes, provided you don't have any other disease. You can, if physician are not contraindicating lycopene for other reason, so please take lycopene through foods like tomato, guavas, watermelon, etc., and which has so much good effects of lycopene in our body. Thank you.